Hello, welcome back to our channel AR Wallpapers and Interior Designer. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you that'll help you keep your wallpaper looking flawless while protecting those vulnerable wall corners. We'll be using a simple yet effective solution. Metal corner beads. Wall corners are prone to wear and tear, especially in high traffic areas. They're often overlooked, but with the right protection, you can ensure your wallpaper stays intact for years. Metal corner beads are fantastic for safeguarding your wall corners. They provide a durable edge that prevents the wallpaper from getting damaged or peeled off. Plus, they give your corners a clean and professional finish. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Metal corner beads, measuring tape, pencil, Fevi-Seal GP Pro adhesive, hexa cutter. First, measure the height of the corner from top to bottom and cut the metal corner bead to match that length. Apply adhesive along the corner edge. Press the metal corner bead into place, aligning it perfectly. Make sure it adheres well to the wall. To ensure a strong bond, press the corner bead firmly and use some masking tape to hold it in place until the adhesive sets. And just like that, you've successfully protected your wallpaper at the corners using metal corner beads. Not only do they safeguard your wallpaper, but they also add a polished touch to your room. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on using metal corner beads to protect your wallpapered corners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep crafting and keep those walls looking amazing. See you soon.